Hi students, John here. Chapter 1 Application of Matrices and Determinants. Exercise 1.2. Question number 3. Subdivision 3. So first already we know that Gauss-Jordan methodology 8 steps. A with the identity matrix in the form of augment. So step 1. First A11 becomes 1 ஆகணும். So அதுக்கு we can use rows and interchange பண்ணிக்கலாம். So row that can be multiple are divisible by some constant. So step 2, a21 becomes 0, then a31 becomes 0. So remaining properties, these two row 2 row 3 compare to row 1 matrix, we get the answer. Then step 3, a32 third row second element becomes 0, we need அப்படின்னா row 3 and row 2 ஓட comparative statement பார்க்கணும். Here then fourth step a33 third row third element must be 1 ஆக்கணும். So that element multiple are divisible by some constant entire row in entire row. Then step 5 a second row third element 2 3 becomes 0. So here row 2 and then row 3 plus or minus we give some constant, then we get the result 0. Step 6 a22 second row second element must be 1. So that entire row multiple are divisible by some constant. Step 7 a13 is equal to 0, first row third element must be 0. So comparative statement வந்து r1 and r3 பார்க்கணும், add and subtract we get the result. Then step 8 a12 first row second element must be 0. So using the property r1 plus or minus r2 with some constant. So now I'm going to give third subdivision. Subdivision 3, matrix A is equal to first row 1 2 3, second row 2 5 3, third row 1 0 8. Here I'm going to write the formation of augment matrix with A and identity matrix which is equal to, so A matrix becomes, then identity matrix becomes here which is equivalent to, so first row வந்து here 1 இருக்கு, so there is no change, first row அப்படியே entry கொடுத்துக்கலாம் 1 2 3, then 1 0 0. so second row பொறுத்த வரைக்கும் 2 0 ஆக்கணும். so அப்ப row 2 can be written as row 2 minus row 1 ஓட தான் compare பண்ணணும். so 2 times of row 1, 2 times of row 1. so first row 2 ஓட value becomes 2 5 3 0 1 0. row 1 2 ஆல multiply பண்ணிக்குவோம். here 2 multiply பண்ணோம்னா we get 2 4 3 2s are 6 2 0 0. so next I'm going to give minus which is equal to 2 minus 2 0, 5 minus 4 becomes 1, 3 minus 6 becomes minus 3, here minus 2 1 0. so I'm going to enter this value here 0 1 minus 3 minus 2 1 0. then so then third row first element choose பண்ணிக்கலாம். so 1 minus 1 first row minimize பண்ணிக்கலாம். so r3 can be written as r3 minus r1. so r3 value becomes 1 0 8 0 0 1. so r1 value becomes 1 2 3 1 0 0. so which is equal to minus 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 minus. so 1 minus 1 0, then minus 2, here 8 minus 3 becomes 5, here minus 1, here 0, here 1. so I'm going to apply this value here 0 minus 2 plus 5 minus 1 0 1. next I'm going to minimize the third row second element using the r2. so here first two rows அப்படியே entry கொடுத்துக்கலாம் which is equivalent to, so first two rows there is no change. so here row 3 tends to, so row 2 ஓட merge பண்ணிக்கலாம். so here row 3 plus 2 times of row 2 கொடுத்தோம் அப்படின்னா here 2 கொடுத்தா 2 minus 2 becomes 0 ஆயிடும். So row 3 oda value becomes 0, -2, 5, -1, 0, 1. So row 2 multiple by 2, here 0, so 2, -6, then -4, then 2, here 0, so here 0. I'm going to add this 0, 0, -1, -5, 2, 1. I'm going to enter this value here 0, 0, -1, -5, 2, 1. So now third row ல இருக்க -1 வந்து +1 மாற்றணும் diagonal entriesனால. So which is equivalent to first two rows அப்படியே entry கொடுத்துடலாம். So row 3 can be written as row 3 multiple by minus. So 0, 0, +1, +5, -2, -1. Then I'm going to minimize -3 using the row 3 row 3 which is equivalent to, so first row and third row அப்படியே entry கொடுத்துடலாம். Here row 2 can be written as row 2 -3, இங்கே 3 கொடுத்தோன்னா row 3 ஓட minimize ஆகிடும். So plus 3 times of row 3. So here, so row 2 value is equal to 0, 1, -3, -2, 1, 0. Then 3 times of row 3. Row 3 3 ஆல் multiply பண்ணோன்னா we get 0, 0, 3, 5 3s are 15, then -6, here -3. So which is equal to, here I'm going to add this 0, 1, 0, here 13, -5, -3. Here I am going to enter this value 0, 1, 0, 13, -5, -3. So then I am going to find, so next first row ல இருக்க 3 0 ஆகும். So first row மட்டும் தான் changes ஆகும். Second row and third row will be same. Second row and third row, row 1 can be written as row 1, row 3 ஓட add and subtract பண்ண போகிறோம். So minus of 3 times of row 3. So row 1 becomes 1, 2, 3, 1, 0, 0. So here row 3 multiple by 3. So 0, 0, 1 3s are 3. Then 5 3s are 15. So -2 here 6. Then -1 into 3 becomes -3. So next I'm going to subtract this minus, plus, plus. So here 1, 2, 0, here -14, here 6, here 3. So I'm going to enter this value here 1, 2, 0, -14, 6, 3. So next I'm going to find 2 change into 0. So which is equivalent to, so here first row only will be changed, second row and third row keep it safe. So R1 can be written as R1 tends to R1 to R2 oda equate பண்ணிக்கும், plus or minus. I'm going to give minus 2 times of R2. So R1 can be written as 1, 2, 0, -14, 6, 3. Then R2 multiple by 2, 0, 1 2s are 2, here 0, 13 2s are 26, then -10, then -6. So I'm going to minus, plus, plus. So here 1, here 0, 0, -40, here 16, here 9. So I'm going to enter this value here 1, 0, 0, here -40 plus 16, here 9. So which is equivalent to, this is the identity matrix. This is A inverse matrix, so which is equal to, therefore A inverse matrix becomes minus 40 plus 16, 9, 13, minus 5, minus 3, 5, minus 2, minus 1.